Okay, we said we weren't going to do it, but we're doing it. This is Cheyenne. She was a chain dog.
Act in the house, huh?
Meeting the pack. Everything's going well. Right, kids? We going to keep her? Serafina? We going to keep her? Maggie? Beagles? Where'd she go? And she's gone again. Making her laps. There she is. Hi, pretty girl. You're shy. Look at your pretty face. Look at your pretty face.
I think this is all she wanted, was to be in a home.
She treats her teeth are better.
No, I think she will. She loves cream cheese. That's what I give her pills in.
We brush water.
Say hi.
Oh, yeah, she'll go crazy with that. What you doing, Shy?
Yeah, I think she's gonna like it. Put the doggy door in the yard and everything.
This one, the other one's gonna keep track of it.
Has she
Ladybug.
buddied up with one yet?
Yeah, lady.
She loved the dog that she was tied next to.
Aw.
Loved it.
So how long was she on the chain? Like for years.
I've been fighting with this guy for years.
Well, no more chains.